Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will be focusing on how to remove image background in Canva. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using the mobile app version of Canva. So now let's proceed and click on the app. So now once you click on the app, imagine we are going to design a YouTube thumbnail and we probably want to remove the image background. So now you click on the plus icon and you now search for YouTube thumbnail at this point. So now once you search for YouTube thumbnails, you now proceed and you click on this. So right here is the shape of a YouTube thumbnail. So now let's change it from the default color, which is white, to probably something different. So now once you're done this way, for you now to remove an image background, you now click on your gallery to import the image right away. So now let's import this image to, and then we now drag to fill up the space. So I want to drag to fill up the space. You will now see an indication. This is for those people using the paid version of Canva. You now click on BG remover, which is background remover. So once you click on it, you allow the system to load to remove the background effectively. So as you can see, this is how to remove background using your Canva. So if this is helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.